This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Mona Gabriel. Welcome to this fully remodeled 4-bed/2.5-bath centrally located home with open floor plan and 2-story family room. Updates include new roof, windows, and exterior siding. Delight in the new kitchen with white cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite tops. Owner's suite with vaulted ceilings, dual walk-in closets, and new bath with tiled shower and double vanity. 3 additional bedrooms and 1 remodeled bath are on the second floor. New pre-finished wood with water-resistant coating. Tons of natural light and plenty of space for outdoor fun in the fenced-in and professionally landscaped yard. Close to Chicks Beach, bases, highways, and shopping. For more information, review the details below.